Guys, welcome to Workplace Learning. Today we're going to learn how to use Connect, which is our main form of contact for this group. So once you've got to the Debt Portal sign in, you're going to put your username in the top, and then you're going to put your password in just like you do when you log on to the computer. Don't forget to click this button and click Login. This will then take you to your Workplace Learning screen. Sorry, my internet's a little slow, but while we're waiting, you'll notice on this side here, there are things like changing your password, and down the bottom, it's all about our mobile app Connect down here. So moving back up to the top, this is the bit we want to see. Where it says My Classes, you'll click on Workplace Learning. Now, depending on who your teacher is, you may have other classes there because quite a few of the teachers are using Connect. Make sure you choose the right one. So when this jumps up and populates the screen, the first thing you'll notice is all this information down the middle. That's coming from this button here called Summary, which tells you everything that's happened in the group. On the right hand side, you're going to see a calendar, and this calendar has dates on it. At the moment, I think if you click on the 14th, it'll show you that you have submission test due. The only buttons you'll need to be concerned with on this page are the summary, the notices button, the content button, and the discussion. So the notices button is if I need to say anything, I'll put a notice in here and it will pop up and you should get an email. Content button is the next button that you're going to use. So if we click on the content button, notice that it's brought us to a learning contact screen with some populated information. This. So you'll see on this screen that you have a test and then 4 skills journals. If we open up, for instance, Skills Journal 1, you're going to see a pink book, and you'll notice that you have 3 Word documents, which is the first 3, and then you have 3 answer sections. So I'm going to teach you how to open one of these, answer the question, and then you'll upload it down here. So for instance, navigate the world. When you upload your answers, you upload it to Answers, Navigate the World. Interact with others, you upload it, you're going to upload it to Answers, Interact with Others. So let me show you how to do that if you've never done it. Let's close that. Let's open this little arrow on with test. Here's your questionnaire for the test. Depending on what system you're on, it will either open up big or it will open up down the bottom. Mine opens up down the bottom. You're going to open up this Word document, and then once you've opened up the Word document, you're going to answer all the questions, and then I'm going to get you to upload them. One thing you must remember though, when you're doing this, you cannot fill in this form and upload it straight away. You must save the document somewhere on your computer. So let's enable editing. So pretend I've answered all the questions. I'm going to File, I'm going to Save As, somewhere on my computer, which I've already saved. Save the document, remember what you called it, close it, come back here, and where it says test, you're going to upload it. So you'll click on the button. It then brings you up test, tells you when it's due. Now, unfortunately, I can't do it, I'm not a student, but on yours, you'll have a little button around about here that says submit. So you will click that submit button and you will upload it. Once it's uploaded, you can close it and I'll get the document. That's the basis of doing it. So what I need you to do is after this video, we're going to go and have a go. So that's pretty much Connect. If I have anything like videos, I'll drop them in the library here, which I'll probably do with this video so you have aware